So here we are once again. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be installing Nemesis by shikyokira and uninstalling fnis by Fore. So go ahead and go to shikyokira's GitHub page and download the Nemesis Unlimited Behavior Engine to your downloads folder of your games. The next one we're installing is Dynamic Animation Replacer. It will require Address Library and SCSI64, and finally EVG Conditional Idles. In MO2, find fnis. Let's go ahead and delete both fnis behavior and fnis creature pack. Next thing, install Nemesis. Simply for ease, we're going to continue using fnis output for this, so drag Nemesis above fnis output, or fnis output below Nemesis, enable Nemesis. Go to Plugins tab under right section, find Nemesis engine in the section, and find Nemesis Unlimited Behavior Engine. Right click and select Add as Executable. Now we're going to go ahead and install the other mods. Dynamic Animation Replacer. OK. EVG Conditional Idles. OK. And enable both. For Cortex users, go to the mod files location. Go ahead and extract the 3 mods. Go to Add New Mod from Folder. Select Folder. Add Nemesis. Go ahead and add new mod from folder. Select Dynamic Animation Replacer. And finally, EVG Conditional Idles. Open the mod files location of Nemesis. Create a new data folder. Move the files into that data folder. Go to Programs. Remove fnis. Run your VFS. Right click, Add Program. Browse File. Go to your profile in Cortex. Go to the Data, Nemesis Engine, and Nemesis Unlimited Behavior. So now for Vortex users, first thing we're going to do, go to Settings, disable Run Fnis on Deployment, go back to Mods, click Install All, search for fnis, select fnis Data and fnis Behavior and fnis Creatures, select Remove, and hit Remove. Select Enable All. Go ahead and switch Nemesis to Enabled. Go to the dashboard. Remove fnis. Add Tool. New. Click the folder. Go to your game folder, go to Data, find Nemesis Engine, go to your game folder, go to Data, find Nemesis Engine, and find Nemesis Unlimited Behavior. Hit Save. Now for running. So, for Vortex, go ahead and hit Run. We have Animated Armory. We have Archery Gameplay Overhaul. Let's enable gender-specific animations. And hit Update Engine. So now that you've gone ahead and run this, you can go ahead and hit Launch Nemesis Behavior Engine. Go ahead and close, go to Mods, Purge, Continue. Stuff will be updated, use newer files, confirm. Go ahead and open the Game Mods folder and open the mod staging. In the mod staging folder, create a new folder. And let's name it Nemesis Data. Copy Nemesis tools fnis.esp into Nemesis Data. Script should only contain fnis AA, and Nemesis AA core. If it contains anything more than that, manually copy those into a script folder. Otherwise, just copy the Nemesis folder and then delete the folder managed by. Meshes will contain a few files, animation mostly. If it contains anything more than animations, which includes HKX, then you'll need to manually move only the animations over. Otherwise, move meshes. Everything else that you did not move, that was generated into either scripts or meshes, you'll need to move to their own folder, not the Nemesis data folder. Go ahead and type __ into your search and delete __ folder managed by Vortex. Go ahead and close and close. Hopefully from now on, whenever you deploy, you should be able to just have all those files generate automatically to Nemesis. But for now, close and reopen Vortex. Go ahead and apply changes. Now go ahead and go to your mods pane, enable Nemesis data. Now everything should deploy. Anytime you add an animation mod or remove an animation mod, or even just a mod that has animations or skeletons, you'll need to run Nemesis data again. Now let's move on to Cortex. So, something that Nemesis needs to be done for Cortex. Open the mod file location of Nemesis. Go to Data, Nemesis Engine, nemesis.ini. For the Skyrim data directory, for the Nemesis INI, you'll need Skyrim data directory to be your virtual game directory if you are modding with Cortex Mod Manager. So, find your virtual game directory, copy this, change this line into virtual game dir /data and append to it a slash at the end. Go ahead and save, close. Run your virtual firing system, run Nemesis, and go ahead and update. Alright, and once you've gone ahead and finished running it by updating and then launching, go ahead and just terminate the VFS. Everything should be generated to overwrites. You can probably leave it there because you can have multiple overwrites for multiple profiles. Go to Edit, find Nemesis, create files and mod instead of override. Go ahead and find fnis output. We're just going to leave it with that one. Okay. Run Nemesis. Go ahead and update the engine. This might take a while. And then once it's done, hit launch. This should take much less time. Once you've gone ahead and done that, the fnis output needs to be dragged down to the bottom, and anytime you have a new animation, it should be put in the fnis output. Leave it at the bottom.